Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this lesson, we are going to read alphabet of Arabic language. This lesson is very important because this is going to be your base of learning Quran Pak. So before learning Quran Pak, you have to know the pronunciation of every letter. You have to pronounce correctly. So in this lesson, I will read each letter one by one, and then you have to follow me. If you feel difficulty to pronounce any of them, just pause the video and read that letter again and again. Let's start our today's lesson. Alif, ba, ta, fa. Look at them. Ba, ta, fa. These three letters are same. Yes, the shape of these three letters are same, but the difference is ba has a dot under it, ta has got two dots on top, and ta has got three dots on top. Yes, this is the difference between these three letters. Yes, alif, ba, ta. These three are very simple. The fourth letter is ta. Ta is basically a soft letter. You have to pronounce it very softly, very softly. The way to pronounce it, just put your tongue under your teeth, under your front teeth. Ta, then you will be able to pronounce it correctly. Ta, softly. The next is Jim. Ha. Ha is a letter which is coming from middle of your throat, and there is a stress in this letter. Ha, ha. Sound should be very clear. Ho, ho is a bold letters, as I told you in the previous lesson that green color is for bold letters. So keep in your mind, green color is for bold letters. Dal, dal. Dal is again a soft letter like tha, tha and dal. Dal is also a soft letter. Just put your tongue under your front top teeth. Then you will be able to pronounce it. Dal, ro, bold one. Za, za. You have to give stress. Za, za. Sin, sheen, sod, bold one. Bod, o, zo. All these four letters are bold. Ain, this is little bit difficult. You have to pronounce it from your throat. Ain, ain, it comes from throat. Ain, then oin, bold letter. Fa, of, kaf. Of is a bold letter, kaf is a light letter. This is the difference between these two letters. Of, kaf, lam, mim, noon, waw, ha. Ha comes from the lower level of throat, near to your chest. This is the difference between ha and ha. Ha comes from middle level of throat, and ha comes from lower level of throat. Hamza, ya, ya. That's all for this video. We'll see you in the next video with our next lesson. Allah Hafiz.